Hello viewer, my name is Asad Siddiqui. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I would like to talk to you about the Express Entry Canada process. First, let me give you a brief overview of what Express Entry is. It is an online immigration application system that was introduced by the Government of Canada in 2015. It is used to manage applications for three of Canada's main economic immigration programs: the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, and the Canadian Experience Class. The Express Entry process is divided into several steps. The first step is to create an online profile. This profile is used to determine if you are eligible to immigrate to Canada under one of the three programs mentioned earlier. You will need to provide information about your education, work experience, language skills, and other details. Once you have created your profile, you will be entered into a pool of candidates. The Government of Canada will then use a points-based system to rank candidates based on their qualifications and other factors. The highest-ranking candidates will be invited to apply for permanent residence. The next step is to submit your application for permanent residence. This is where you will need to provide more detailed information about yourself, such as your background, your qualifications, and your work experience. You will also need to include your language test results and other documents. After you have submitted your application, it will be reviewed by a government official. If your application is approved, you will be issued a confirmation of permanent residence, which is a document that proves you have been approved to immigrate to Canada. Finally, you will need to pass a medical examination and a security check before you can come to Canada. Once these steps are complete, you will be issued a permanent residence visa, which will allow you to travel to Canada and take up permanent residence. Here is a step-by-step guide for the Express Entry Canada process. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you begin the process, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements for one of the three programs managed by Express Entry: Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program, or Canadian Experience Class. Step 2. Create an Express Entry profile. This is the first step in the process. You will need to create an online profile and provide information about your education, work experience, language skills, and other details. Step 3. Get your language test results. You will need to take a language test, such as IELTS or COPR, to prove your proficiency in English or French. Step 4. Get your Educational Credential Assessment, ECA. If you have a foreign degree or diploma, you will need to get it assessed by a designated organization to see if it is equivalent to a Canadian one. Step 5. Get a job seeker validation code. If you are not currently working in Canada, you will need to register with Job Bank and get a job seeker validation code. Step 6. Submit your profile. Once you have completed all the above steps, you can submit your Express Entry profile. Step 7. Get an invitation to apply. If you are ranked high enough in the pool of candidates, you will be invited to apply for permanent residence. Step 8. Submit your application for permanent residence. Once you receive an ETA, you will have 90 days to submit your application for permanent residence, along with all required documents. Step 9. Get a medical examination and police clearance certificate. You will need to pass a medical examination and a security check before you can come to Canada. Step 10. Get your permanent residence visa. If your application is approved, you will be issued a permanent residence visa. With this, you can travel to Canada and take up permanent residence. Please keep in mind that the information provided here are general guidelines. It's always advisable to check the latest immigration rules and regulations on the official website of Government of Canada for any updates or changes. Please don't forget to subscribe us and like and share our channel. It will motivate us to keep you posted amazing videos and information 24/7. Thank you.